Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update. Today, we have a really nice day because it was a perfect breakout, exactly as predicted yesterday. Please watch the video from yesterday. It was a perfect hit, and now the big question is, where is the perfect moment to make a stop loss? We will check this now in this update. So guys, let's go. Let's start this party now. So a quick overview, coin market cap, what's going on? Every coin is mooning, really nice. Bitcoin is mooning. We have over 18,000 cryptos in the markets, 18,090 coins, guys. This is amazing. And we have a Bitcoin dominance about 43.4%. Ethereum is going down a little bit, but Bitcoin dominance is going up. That means it's a better time to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. And we can see it here. Bitcoin plus 9% in 24 hours, Ethereum plus 6.55%. The Binance coin is going up only with 3.34%, XRP 4.7%. But look at this, Terra Luna. I have a really nice video out there for Terra Luna. Please watch it. It's mooning 22% in the plus. What's going on with the Fear and Greed Index? We have still extreme fear in the market. 22 points fear in the market. Okay, that's not good. Guys, let's check investing.com what's going on with the candlestick patterns. And yes, of course, we made yesterday a really nice candle. Yesterday candle closed like an engulfing and bullish engulfing. This is a bullish reversal with a medium reliability to go out to the upside. And what happened today? A nice pump to the upside. And yes, we are in the trade. I hope, guys, you're also in the trade exactly as predicted yesterday. So now let's check what's the next big thing. What can we await before we check the analysis, before we check TradingView analysis? Let me show you one thing, because it's time to check this, guys. So the big thing what I would like to show you is, let me show you where it is. Here it is TradingView. On the day we have now a really nice summary, a buy, not a sell anymore. We have a buy. The oscillators are telling us buy, the moving averages are telling us buy. Everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Not a financial advice. On the daily time frame, nice. On the 4-hour time frame, let's watch this one really quick. What's telling us here TradingView? So what's going on? Where is it? So here it is on a 4-hour time frame. We have a buy on the summary, the strong buy, moving averages, and the oscillators are telling us, okay, attention, sell maybe 2 hours buy, strong buy, 1 hour buy, strong buy. So the week is changing from a sell to a neutral as the Switzerland. Only the oscillators are telling us, attention, maybe we should sell, but we are changing maybe now. The big question is, what is going on with CoinCodex and what can we see here? These are the biggest winners, Luna, a plus about 22%. I told you we are here nearly $100. I showed you a video about this, and it is also a perfect hit. I'm in Luna. SNX is going up 19.2%, Waves is going up 18.4%, Woo is going up, with 17.69%, XMR Monero is going up with 17.38%. So these are the top 5 biggest winner. Arweave, San, XCC, Mob, Near Protocol is going up, nice. So now let's check Bitcoin. What is telling us the Bitcoin price prediction? First of all, check this one. Here's the 24-hour range, and yesterday I told you guys we saw a really low range for the Bitcoin price. I told you maybe this is a sign for a bottom. It's better to buy on the lower price if we are on the 24-hour range on the lower side and not on the higher side. For the moment, the highest price on the 24 hours range is 42,380. And you can see we are really near the end of this one. So it's always a better point to buy low and sell high. Yes, buy if you are in the lower range and not in the higher range. Depends always on the time frame what you are trading. Guys, you can see this one also here. Here's my live stream. Bitcoin Trading Informant is the name. And you can see here everything you need. And a lot of guys, I think if we will go up to the upside more and more, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, maybe in the future, a lot of guys will join this channel, 100 viewers, 150 viewers, and they will ask me, Biti, is it now a good point to buy? No, guys. And that's what's wondering me. I have for the moment 19 viewers. We are on the downside. I think it's more important to watch these streams, this stuff, if we are on the downside with the Bitcoin price and not if we are on the highest point. Really interesting why a lot of guys are going into this stuff here if we are mooning and not if we are going down, because bottom hunting, this is bringing us the money and not a buy in on 60,000, guys. That's really important. So, okay, now let's check the daily time frame. And here on the daily time frame, every candle is 1 day. And this was my chart analysis from yesterday, and it was so perfect. Look at this. We saw a falling broadening wedge. I told you, first of all, we need to break out of this one. The second point, I will make more in my long position. I will double or triple my long position on 39,600. And yes, of course, I put more money in the long position. And yes, of course, we went up to a nice place. It was a perfect hit. Look at this. I showed you. First of all, we have a big resistance if we are watching the middle line. Perfect hit. And the second thing I showed you guys, we have the 0.236 Fibonacci. The price is about 42,750. And it was not a perfect hit, but we saw a spike directly to this position. And the big thing is now, guys, yes, a nice long, but where to set a stop loss point, where to go out of the trade, where to take profit. It's always important to take profit. It's more important to take profit on 10 times a little profit as one time, and you are losing it and you're going down again, and this trade is for nothing. So guys, remember, always take profits. This is the thing how I'm trading, not a financial advice. So, okay, now guys, we are on the parallel channel to the upside. We are in this parallel channel. Everything is okay. We are on the middle line. I told you this one. Now let's go on and let's check this one. Here is the TDI Traders Dynamic Index. What do we see? A little bearish divergence on the day. It's not so a big thing, but it is a little bearish divergence. We need to watch this, but it's not a big thing. The biggest thing is to watch the middle line here. You can see here is the Bollinger Band. We have the middle line here, and you can see this is the next resistance. We need to fight over this resistance, or we will see a pushback to the downside. That's a really dangerous thing if we are watching the TDI. If you are watching this one here, we are on 51 points, not overbought, not oversold, everything is okay. And that's the biggest thing what we are watching here on the TDI on the daily time frame. Let's check the TDI on the 4-hour time frame, and here we have a bigger thing to watch because we are over the Bollinger Band. Look at this. We saw a breakout over the Bollinger Band. So maybe now little breathtaking, maybe now a little fight down again. It's possible. And what else can we make? We can make on the 4-hour time frame a line from here, highest point, to this point. Yes, you know it, guys. A resistance is always a red one. And what can we see? We have some space to the upside, 74 maybe. But guys, you know it, everything over 70 points, and we have now 67.6 is overbought. So attention, attention. We have a little space to the upside, yes, of course, but then we have a big resistance if you are watching the TDI. On the 1-hour time frame, what can we see? And this was one of the reasons why I made a long position. We saw a bullish divergence on the downside. A bullish divergence is for the most times here you can see bull, bull, bull. A nice sign for a trend reversal, for finding a bottom maybe. And yes, of course, it was. The Bitcoin price was going down, the TDI was going up, the RSI was going up. Yes, maybe the next sign. And that was what I told you yesterday in my video. So, the bad thing is, guys, we are really high with our RSI. You can see it here. We are really, really overbought for the moment. And the big thing is, can we hold this position? I think we may go down a little bit and take a little bit breath. And that's one of the reasons why I'm setting now a stop loss in the trade. And I will show you this here soon, guys. So, okay. 1-hour time frame, every candle is 1 hour. TDI, I told you everything. The falling broadening wedge, I told you my Biti Da Vinci from drawing from yesterday. You can see here in the chart picture. Now let's move on. Let's check the future. We will see what's going on now. Maybe in the future. I can't read the future, but I'm trying it. Okay, guys. We see in the 1-hour time frame a perfect fight now with the middle line. You can see it here. We are removing this stuff here, so we make a clear, nice chart picture here for you. Let's remove the TDI. Let's check the next one that we need to watch. This is the Simply EMA ribbon band. And yes, what happened? We saw a nice breakout over the ribbon band, over the EMA 200, yellow line, over the resistance line, 39,600. We put more money. I put more money in the trade, and now I'm in a nice long position. Where to set stop loss. Let me show you. We are now on the 1-hour time frame in a little uptrend, in a bigger uptrend. And yes, this little uptrend is important now for me. Why? We have a new middle line, we have the ribbon band, and we have this fat resistance on the bigger uptrend. And this is the resistance fight now. Big question, can we break out more and more? Yes, I would stay in the long position, but But if we will go down, I will set a stop loss. And it's always really important to set a stop loss. Maybe we're going down to the middle line, fighting again with the ribbon band. Yes, it's possible. Take deep breath, 41,000. Maybe after this next pump to the upside, I will take a stop loss and I will end my long position if we are going in a new lower low. And that's for me, let me show you a really interesting point, because our lows we saw here on this point, 41,600. So my new stop loss position is 41,599 maybe, or maybe a little bit deeper, 41,580, it doesn't matter. This is my new stop loss position. I will take profit here. I will take profit of my nice trade if we will go down under this position. This is one thing what's really important in my opinion, lower lows out of the trade. The next stuff is, guys, we can see maybe the next big fight now with the resistance line. So as long as we are fighting with this, I'm still in the long position. I'm not putting out my money, yes, of course, because we may break out more and more. But remember, overbought, RSI, and so on and so on. So if we can break out to the upside, remember 0.236 Fibonacci, 42,750 or nearly 800 is a big resistance. It's the middle line, it's the Fibonacci, and so on. And if we can break out more and more to the upside, we see the last high, it was a price about 45,300. We need to break over this one and we need to make a higher high. That's really important for us. So naked chart. Back again, before we end this video, it's really important to watch the golden cross death cross 4-hour time frame. What's going on? A really hard fight. Golden cross death, golden death, and yes, we are still in the death cross zone. We need now, that's really important, the green cross over the green line over the red line, guys. This one must cross, and this is a really big thing what I'm watching now, if this one will happen, yes or no, or will we see a fake out and we are going down again and we are still in the death cross zone. So to the downside, red line, green line, SMA 50, SMA 200, big support, big resistance. And the better picture on the bigger time frame is the daily. We are still in a death cross. Yes, of course. We have the red line here as a resistance. We have the green line here as a support. Green line 39,800, red line 48,900. We are between both of these lines, and that's the next big fight for the bigger time frame. In my opinion, now what we need to watch on the daily time frame. But that's not all. That's not all, guys. Before I close this video, I have some more things to show you, because we also need to watch the Ichimoku. Before we are checking this one, remember, we saw a parallel channel to the downside, a bearish one like this one, a red bearish one. What happened? We saw one fake out, down again, stop loss hunting. Yes, of course, perfect market makers, perfect work. Now, again, the breakout over this parallel channel, over this downgoing parallel channel. Nice. Okay, now Ichimoku, what's going on? Daily time frame, and that's bullish. That's really bullish, because we saw a nice candle over the red line, over the blue line, over the 9 lengths Ichimoku, over the 26 lengths Ichimoku line. Now we have 8 hours to close this candle over both of these lines. This would be a nice sign for maybe a bullish breakout here in this position. But guys, remember, we are building now a big thing. We are building now on the daily time frame this triangle. Red side to the upside is the resistance. Green side coming from the downside is the support. This is the triangle. Big stuff is, can we go up to 45,000? Yes, this would be nice. We will touch maybe the resistance line, or will we go down, up and down? Then the big fight with the resistance or with the support, up or down. That's a big thing what I'm watching now, this triangle. I'm a little bit bullish because I'm in a nice trade. Yes, of course, but guys, remember we are in a big downtrend. Don't forget this one. Always use stop losses. Big triangle. This is the last thing what I would like to show you on the end of this video. Now, guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Ciao, ciao.